So how to enable Apple Intelligent on your iPhone 17 year, you can see. So first of all, go to your setting and go to
Here's how to enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone.
Apple Intelligent, then you can see Apple Intelligent is available here. If you press on this icon, your Apple Intelligent will be enabled. But if you see this gray out, then simply go to language and select language as a English or UK or France or any supported Apple Intelligent area, and go to general option, and from here you need to go language and region and select your region as a France, United States or United Kingdom as well. For example, I want to select as United States, change that United States. Now go back, and another thing, go to your keyboard and select language as a US as well. Now go back to your Apple Intelligent area, go back, go to Apple Intelligent. Now simply enable this option. Once you enable this option, then Apple Intelligent will be download, so it's take around 20 or 30 minutes to enable your Apple Intelligent. So once you enable Apple Intelligent, if you press the side button, your Apple Intelligent show like that. So that's
Apple
it.
Intelligence support for ChatGPT.
So this is how you can easily enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 17 year. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.